Hey, hey, hello, and welcome to everyone. Here today we are in a new presentation. Today we're going to look at a very interesting topic. This is topic that I do like a lot because I think you can learn a lot of it. This topic will be mastering the simple future structure and just no short answers. As we saw in the other videos, we learned a lot about this topic, but now we are going to learn how to answer all those questions that people made at us. Okay, so let's start. First of all, an introduction. Understanding the structure and usage of a simple future tenses is essential for mastering English grammar. This presentation will focus on the formation of the simple future tense and how to form yes and no short answers. So today we're going to learn how to answer to those questions that people made at us, or how do we need to expect the people to respond to us when we are asking some things. Okay? Okay. A simple feature structure. As we saw in the other videos, this structure can be compounded of going to or will. The simple future tense is formed using the base form of the verb with the auxiliary verb will. It is used to express action or states that will occur in the future. For example, I will study for the exam tomorrow. We already saw these things that I'm telling you in the last sessions. This is quite interesting. So we're going to learn a lot about this. So let's continue. Okay, here I have the table that I want you to focus about. This is quite interesting. First of all, yes, no short answers. Yes, no short answers. In the simple future tense are formed by using the auxiliary verb will or won't, followed by the subject. For example, will you attend the meeting? Yes, I will, or no, I won't. Okay, let's study a little bit more about this. Here I have some examples for you and for me to understand better what I'm talking about. First of all, I want you to focus in the interrogative way. Here with the first questions, it says, will I come in? That is the questions. Someone is asking you if you're gonna enter some place. So what will you answer to this? If you want to say that you are going to go to that part, you're going to say, yes, I will come. But if you want to say that you do not want to come in that part, you're going to say simply, I will not come. As we see, it's as simple as that. We're just going to take the question that people made at us, and we're going to take the will and the I, and we are going to rotate them. So first comes the I, and then it comes the will. Will. So it will say I will, and if I want to say that it's a correct affirmation, I just gonna say the verb in the base form, I will come. But if I want to say that that is not right, we are going to say I will not come, not. If you're asking how to make this same question that I told you, but now we're going to make it with an interrogative negative. So, for example, once I come in, this is the same as the interrogative, but in a negative way. So this is asking once I come in, and you can also answer with those two, affirmation and negative. I will come, I will not come. Okay? Let me clear all my drawings, and I'm gonna open another folder. So now, coming back to the interrogative, let's say with the other questions, will you come in? Will you? Here we can see that the subject changed. Now instead of I, it's you. As the other examples, we're going to answer the same way. If the people are coming, you will come. That's an affirmation. You will not come. Here we can see the word not. So that is negative form. Finally, if we want to rotate this interrogative question, we're just simply going to add the will with not. So in the interrogative negative, Here, it will say, won't you come in? And you can answer also with the affirmative and with the negative ways. You can say you will come or you will not come. When you come in, you will come. You will not come. Here, I want to explain some other examples. So let's go by one. First of all, I'm gonna go with he. Will he come in? As the other two examples where you're going to use the same form to respond to these questions. If you want to say that yes, you're going to say he will come. Yes, he will come. Okay, yes, he, that is the subject. Here I'm gonna write it. He is the subject. Will, that it's our auxiliary verb to mark that it's future. Future. Sorry for my letter. And a come, that it's the verb in a modal verb. He will, sorry, he will come. Okay? And if you want to ask this, you're going to say, won't he come? Okay, so let's go with the next one. Here in the next one, we have she. As he is the same, but she is for female and he is for man, for example. So here in the interrogative way, we have she, will she come in? You can answer she will come, or you can answer she will not come. Okay, but in the interrogative way, you can say won't she come in? That is quite easy and fun to learn. So we're only, for examples go. Okay, so let's go with it. If you are wondering how can I do it with will, it doesn't matter that it's a thing, it's the same logic as the other examples. Will it come in? You are going to answer it will come. You are just going to put the it first and then the will. It will come. Yes, that's an affirmative way. It will not come. That is a negative way to answer the question. So in the interrogative negative way to ask that, you are just going to add the word not, here I'm gonna write it, not, after the will. So will plus one plus not is equal won't. Won't it come in? Okay, let's go with another example. Here we have the plural ones. This is quite important because sometimes you can think that the singular and the plural are different, but it's always the same here in the yes and no short answers. Will he come in? We will come. We will not come. Here we have the same. Won't we come in? Okay, now let's go with another example. Here I have, will you come in? As you can see, it seems to be the same as the second example that we saw. But in the first example, it expressed the you in a singular way. I mean, we're talking about one people. Here in this example, we're talking about two or more people because it's plural. So you will come, you will not come. When you come in, and last but not least, we are going to see, I don't know, wait a second. Well, I I can draw anymore, but the last example says, will they come in? You can answer, they will come, or you can answer, they will not come. Okay, so let's continue with our presentation. Well, to master the simplest future tense and just know short answers, it is important to you to practice. Try forming sentences and short answers using the simple future tense with different verbs and subjects. Consistent practice is key to mastering this grammar concept. But caution, here are some common mistakes to avoid. When mastering the simple future tense, it is important to avoid common mistakes such as using the incorrect form of the auxiliary verb will or forgetting to use the base form of the verb. What do I mean with this? Sometimes people change the verb. For example, the right way to say it is I will come, not I will comes. That's wrong. So being aware of these mistakes will help you improve your proficiency. Okay, as a conclusion, mastering the simple future tense and just no short answers is a crucial aspect of English grammar. By understanding the structure and practicing regularly, you can confidently use the simple future tense in both spoken and written English. I really hope that these five videos help you a lot to understand better the way how the simple future is used. I thank you a lot for watching my videos and I see you next time. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, have a nice class, and don't forget to practice, practice, and practice, and practice a lot. Thank you.